How to use Dynamics 365 to track your customer interactions. Hello, businesses and customer service enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of customer interaction tracking with how to use Dynamics 365 to track your customer interactions. In a customer-centric landscape, understanding and managing customer interactions is key, and Dynamics 365 provides the tools to do just that. Step 1. Navigate to Customer Service Hub and access your workspace. Effectively tracking customer interactions is to navigate to the Customer Service Hub within Dynamics 365. This is where you'll gain a comprehensive view of your customer interactions and ensure a seamless customer service experience. Your customer service workspace provides a centralized hub for tracking interactions, managing cases, and building stronger relationships with your customers. Step 2. Dynamics 365 allows you to capture and log customer interactions effortlessly. Whether it's a phone call, email, or chat, record every interaction to create a detailed customer history. By logging interactions, you not only keep track of customer communications but also provide your team with valuable insights into each customer's journey. Step 3. Streamline your customer service workflow by automating case management in Dynamics 365. Assign, escalate, and track cases automatically, ensuring a timely and efficient resolution to customer issues. Automation reduces response times, increases efficiency, and allows your team to focus on delivering exceptional customer service. Step 4. Dynamics 365's knowledge base empowers your team with the information they need for informed customer interactions. Access articles, FAQs, and documentation to provide accurate and timely solutions. By leveraging the knowledge base, you enhance the quality of your interactions and foster customer satisfaction. Step 5. Dynamics 365 enables you to monitor customer feedback and sentiment in real time. Stay informed about customer satisfaction levels, identify areas for improvement, and proactively address concerns. Understanding customer sentiment allows you to adapt and improve, ensuring a positive and lasting relationship with your customers. In conclusion, using Dynamics 365 to track your customer interactions is about navigating the customer service hub, capturing and logging interactions, automating case management, utilizing the knowledge base, and monitoring customer feedback and sentiment. Implement these strategies in your Dynamics 365 customer service hub and take your customer interactions to the next level. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more Dynamics 365 insights. Ready to enhance your customer interactions with Dynamics 365? Connect with us at Synatech to unlock the full potential of your customer service. Contact us today, and let's elevate your customer experience. Thank you for watching. We look forward to sharing more valuable insights with you in our next video.